Spirituality, it is a broad word which involves us to connect with something which is greater or a superpower which exists, and it is a search for one's inner peace, knowing the meaning of one's life. It can also be referred as a person's concern with their religious values and practices. Spirituality brings in a personal search for the meaning of one's life, its purposes, and a path to connect with the superpower or something larger than oneself, which may include practicing meditation, yoga, prayer, mindfulness, and exploring and introspecting one's inner self to connect and engage in a deeper understanding of life and the universe, either through a belief in a higher power or superpower or just by simply connecting with nature and others around them. It can also empower one's personal growth, values, and ethics to guide one's actions. Spirituality brings in someone or something in an activity like good relationship, values, practices, purpose of life, and personal growth. Spiritual healer, spiritual relationships are connections to self or soul, to others, to a higher power, or to nature. All relationships have the potential to be spiritual. The depth or intimacy of the relationship is directly related to human beings' individual personal knowledge of self or soul searching. Spirituality is a recognition of a feeling or sense or belief that there is something beyond oneself, something more than to a human being and to the senses of our experience, and that it is a greater world in which we are part of the cosmic energy or divine energy present in their mother nature. There are three types of spirituality, which are as an individualist, as an collectivist, and as dialogical. Individualist spirituality. Firstly, it is focused on one's inner self. Secondly, it is achieve one's goal privately. And finally, it's me or I is central point, which one can affirm or deny. Collectivist spirituality. It is focused on the various religious institutions in which one is attached or attracted. Adhere strictly to religious values and practices. And the values and practices are generally regulated by an outside source, such as a temple or church or guru. Dialogical spirituality. It focuses on the realm of between I and a Tao. Spirituality can also be practiced through meditation and prayer. Thank you for watching me on spiritual healing. Subscribe my channel for more on spiritual healing. And don't forget to share.